Hello teacher, today I'd like to talk about a time I learned an important lesson about asking for help at work. A few years ago, I was working on the design of an automation machine. While I was designing it, I decided to change one mechanical component by myself. I thought it was only a small change. I believed the new part would work just as well as the original one. The original part has a long delivery time, so I replaced it with a similar part from another supplier without discussing it with my manager or my team. At first, everything seemed fine. My design was approved and sent to the manufacturing department. However, a few days later, the assembly team told me that one component did not meet the customer's requirements. Technically, the machine could still work, but it was different from what the customer had requested. I was very worried, so I immediately reported the issue to manager and explained why I had changed the part and told him that I wanted to avoid the delivery delay. My manager was clearly unhappy, but he stayed calm and guided me through the situation step by step. He said, when we design our machine, we must always follow the customer's requirements. If there is any issue or if something unclear, we should discuss it with the team before making our decision. The problem isn't whether the change is right or wrong. The real question is who will take responsibility for that decision. After that, my manager had to visit the customer, explain the situation, and apologize for the misunderstanding. From that experience, I learned a very important lesson. Now I always read the customer documents carefully, clarify any unclear requirements, and confirm important information before changing our design. If I'm, if I'm not sure about something, I ask my manager or my teammate for help instead of making decisions by myself. I also learned that asking for help is not a sign of weakness. Good, good communication helps prevent misunderstanding, protects the project, and helps the whole team find the best solution. I really appreciate what my manager told me that day because it has made me a more careful and responsible mechanical design engineer. Thank you for listening. See you later.